Racing. Smoke Over Water away about midfield today. The Nature Way and Valley News come out running. Moments Remembered showing good speed. Smoke Over Water zipping forward now to put his head in front and past the 5/8 pole. It's Smoke Over Water and Valley News going with him on the inside. They open up 2.5 lengths. They're going fast to the half-mile pole. Time for a Jackpot third, followed by Moments Remembered, the Nature Way, then Tribal Z from Viognier, and last Kintler Journey. They're covered by 10 lengths, and Smoke Over Water has dashed away at the 3/8 pole to lead by 5 lengths from Valley News. The newcomer tried to go with the favourite, but Smoke Over Water has run away 6 lengths clear coming to the quarter pole. Valley News is second, another 3 lengths to a line of horses. The Nature Way and Moments Remembered, wider out Tribal Z, Kintler Journey, and then Viognier past the 8th pole. Smoke Over Water by 2. Valley News trying to re-rally, coming on under the whip. A little green though. Smoke Over Water in front by a length. Valley News picking her up. Smoke Over Water, Valley News, photo, very close. Smoke Over Water or Valley News, could go either way, with Moments Remembered third. Tribal Z ran fourth, followed by Kintler Journey, the Nature Way, Viognier, and Time for a Jackpot. The time 1:11.62, it's a photo finish to determine the winner of race number 4.